Today, actually, we are working on what is called digital agriculture. All of us were doing manual agriculture mostly. Of course, mechanization has taken place. People use tractors, people use harvesters and all that. But in spite of that, our country's productivity per hectare, that means per hectare what is the yield, is 1/5 of the world average. We are 5 times lower. That is the kind of thing. So if we have to improve the productivity, then we have to now bring in technology. We cannot do this kind of a what is called flooded irrigation, flooded pesticide uses, flooded fertilizer use and all that, which was okay when first green revolution was done. But today we need to actually use technology like nano fertilizers. We have to use drones for monitoring the health of the crop as it is growing. If there is any disease, so even the satellites which are today being launched by our ISRO, they are carrying cameras, they are carrying lot of devices which can give the complete picture of the crop. So what is the kind of disease it is happening? What is how many of them are requiring more moisture, whether the soil moisture is okay. These are part of the precision agriculture. So NITI Aayog is today pushing the technologies on precision agriculture, which will require drone-based technologies, satellite-based technologies, requiring miniaturized harvesting machines, miniaturizing nano fertilizers to be put based upon the requirement of the soil, monitoring the moisture in the soil and then giving only adequate quantity of water, not flooded water, not even, you must have heard about 25 years back we used to talk about drip irrigation. Drip irrigation, India did not adopt much of it except in few places. Is one way of reducing the quantity of water and doing good agriculture. So these are the things which NITI Aayog is now pushing, and we are trying to see that it is translated. The work is being done in the Indian Council of Agriculture Research and many of the Krishi Vigyan Kendras, but most of it is being done by our other educational institutions like IITs and all that, where people are developing different kind of payloads which can monitor the health of the crops and things like that. Even fisheries. In Kerala, you have a lot of fishing to be done, you are a coastal nation. So fisheries also, because of the climate change, the warming of the sea surface takes place. If the sea surface temperature goes up, it is to be monitored and set through the satellite, through the drone-based systems, you are in a position to check where the temperature of the sea has gone up. And then you can predict what will be the quantity of fish it will be in that area. How many fish would die because of the excess temperature and things like that. So there is an assessment problem, and you can guide your fishermen which area we have to go on that. Similarly, we have other areas like, for example, all of us are talking today that carbon dioxide, it should not be there in the air, as reduced as possible. It should reduce as much as possible. So for that, if you can identify what kind of carbon dioxide sequestration methods can be used. By algae is one of them. Grow algae there. Grow seaweed there. So all of them can capture a lot of these carbon dioxide. So these are all part of the technologies for agriculture which are being done today. Many of them will be there. Then in